Hello, Absolute Voice supervisors. Let's take a look at Absolute Voice Analytics and how to set up your board. First, you're going to log into your portal. This is our supervisor portal. Remember, you do have the option of your user portal here, but we're going to be in our supervisor portal. From here, we're going to click on the Absolute Voice Analytics. And this is the agent stock board that comes up. So you can look at the settings here. You can certainly just leave it on this screen if this meets your needs. Usually it doesn't, and there's a ton of options in here depending on what look and feel you like, what information is important to you. So from here, if I do this drop down for the main menu, you can see that we have boards. I can create boards. This is the board that I've created. These are the items that I like to see. I like to see my agents and who's available, and I like to see it in two different forms. I like to see if I have any abandoned calls, and then I like to see information about the queues, especially if I have calls waiting, then I can target somebody to log in and take that call. So you're going to create your board the way you want it. If we go over here, we can click on New Board. And then right here, we can name our board whatever we would like. I will say, make it our training board. And I'm going to save it. Now, you have to start building cards within your board. So I click here to add a card. Then I click Choose Type. These are all the types of boards that I have. You're going to see what you want, line chart, gauge, single stat. Play around with this. There's no right, there's no wrong. It's all about what you want to see. And if you create something and you don't like it, you just delete it and try some other options here. So let's say I'll just click on the single stat. Then the next step is data. So we need to fill it with something. I'm going to say I want to see the average talk time. And then I tell it the average talk time for which group. I'm going to say Corpus. Remember, this is just a single stat, so that's all I'm going to get is one stat here. And you can size your boards this way. You do have to click Save. And then we need to add another card. Again, we'll choose a card type. Let's select Page. The next step, Data. We'll add data, and let's do idle agents. From here, I have another filter, and I can select which call queues has idle agents in it, and I can select multiple queues. Save that, and again, size it. I can also move it. Save. And you can keep adding cards until your screen is filled or you have everything that you want. Data, add your data, average hold time, done, save, add a card, choose a type, go to data, add your data. I'm going to say agents, and this will give me all my agents. If I wanted to select certain agents, I can go here and I can select just the agents that I wanted to. We click Save. Let's move this one over here, extend it. So we've created some cards. And you're going to want to play around with this, like I said, because there's a bunch of different stats you can get, and it's all about you and what you need to see. And that's how you create your cards for your board and the analytics.